This is a Delair Railroad vertical lift bridge. Crosses the Delaware River between um, Camden, New Jersey, and Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, used by the also Philadelphia and Pennsylvania Railroad. And and then you got the swing bridge right here, right next to it, and it's fixed in place. But this vertical lift bridge is still in use, and it raised for barge and ships. And this is a tower span lift bridge. Look at the detail of this. This is a solid drawn tool that I did, understand? And this is a Delair Railroad vertical lift bridge. So this is located between Camden, New Jersey and Philadelphia, Pennsylvania.